today I am so excited to present to you, to show you what I'm doing today, how to create this look with the new Strawberry Dream palette and liquid lipsticks. So I straightened my hair like a week ago because I thought I was going to get this palette a week ago or like within a few days of me like straightening my hair. I thought I was going to get this palette, but it's over a week later. It is 9 days after I placed my order. It just got here, but that's okay. I'll talk about that in a little bit. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and hear a little bit more about this Strawberry Dream collection from Lunar Beauty, keep on watching. And don't forget, before you leave, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my personality, or if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe so that way you don't forget about me. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm just enjoying a milkshake. It's 1,000 degrees outside, and I don't care that I'm wearing a sweatshirt right now. It's 1,000 degrees in this room even, and I still don't want to hear it. I'm telling you what, this packaging cannot be done justice online, through pictures, through video. It is so gorgeous. Like, this alone could sell you on the product. This moon is raised, the clouds are raised. Oh my god, I cannot say enough good things about this packaging. It is just beautiful. I mean, as soon as I saw this, I wanted it. I was in the market for a colorful palette. Manny's video just popped up right in time because I was all over this. I almost didn't buy it at first. I almost didn't. I mean, Strawberry Dream. I mean, if this isn't a Strawberry Dream, then I don't know what is. It's gorgeous. And a lot of people are talking about how good it smells. I'm assuming it's supposed to smell like strawberries because that's what I imagined. And I've got to say, I just think it smells like makeup. I don't really smell a distinct strawberry scent. You guys, this milkshake is messing my stomach up. And then he also came out with a couple of new lipsticks and a lip gloss. Now, this is where the cons or my negative experience has happened with this so far. Well, first off, it took forever to get to me. There were people that live across the ocean who were getting their order before me. They were getting their order within 2 or 3 days of the launch. I ordered this on launch day as well, and I just got it. It is 9 days later, and I just got it. So that was a little annoying because I really wanted to do this video, really excited about it, to play in it. I'm just so excited. Second thing, I ordered the full collection, which means it's supposed to come with the 2 lipsticks, which are these 2 right here. They accidentally sent me 2 Daydreams and they didn't send me a gloss. Now, I'm not much of a gloss wearer, but I was really excited about that gloss. I was like, if I'm gonna wear a gloss, I love that it almost pairs up perfectly with this. I'm really disappointed about it. I'm still waiting on a response from customer service. Hopefully they get back to me and they can send me out another one. I'm just kind of disappointed about that. I've seen quite a few videos of people who are doing full swatches of every single color, so I'm not going to do every single color. I did pick a couple just to give you an idea if this is the first video that you're watching about this. But do you see this blue diamond? Oh my gosh. Look, you can't even see it right there, but as soon as light hits it, holy shit, it is beautiful. And then this color here is Ruby Skies. I like that. This bright pink is Pink Flash. This one is Sunset. And then this one is Blue Sky. These are the two lipsticks. I will say I was not as thrilled about this color, but this isn't a color that I would necessarily go with. This kind of looks more like a red on camera. But these do smell really nice. Oh, like a vanilla cupcake. These do smell really good. I love that color. This is from Laritzi. This has been my favorite color for a couple years now, and it is dry. I have been like telling myself I don't need another one, that I need to venture out, but I feel like this is gonna be very similar. Yes, they are very similar. Oops. The Lunar Beauty one is just a little, I'm sorry, I'm doing these in the most awkward angles, is a little bit lighter, maybe just a little bit more pinky, but they're still so similar. So I'm really excited that I got this, because I have been wanting another one of these for so long. I have a lot of fun ideas that I want to do with this palette. I found some inspiration. I think for this video though, I've seen a lot of colorful looks for their reviews, so I think I'm gonna do something a little bit more neutral. I'm just gonna go in with some neutral tones just in the crease, darken it up a little bit, and then I think I'm gonna put one of these light pinks on the lid, and the blue diamond, of course, I'm gonna throw on top of it, and we'll do some kind of cut crease as well. Oh, I also really love how big this mirror is. I don't know when or why companies stop putting mirrors in their palettes, because I have literally one little mirror here that comes in this blush. And I mean, I have like a stand mirror that I usually put in front of me, but I can't find it anywhere, of course. So I am so happy to have this big mirror here. It is so big. I love it. Oh, did I mention I've never done a cut crease before? Now all I'm gonna do is just blend the fuck out of it. I'm gonna try to do a cut crease now on these wrinkly ass eyelids. I've been scared of doing cut creases for this reason. Like, straight up, I'm gonna fuck it up. Okay, I said a little prayer. Oh, I saw somebody do this trick once. Let's see if it'll work. Oh! That worked. I hope I wasn't covering the camera up the whole time. Oh my God, I'm so focused. And it's not exactly even, but I don't want to keep making it this so much thicker, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna take the color skyline, and I would go for cloudy, but every time I've seen this color swatched, yeah, it just doesn't really show up, and I really do want some pigment in there to show up for this look that I'm going for. So we're just trying, okay? We're just playing. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Maybe once I put on the blue diamond, something magical will happen. Fuck. Oh my gosh. So pretty. What the fuck? I did not you guys, this is lightning. I wish I would have swatched that first. This cut like in the pan looks, holy shit, that is just straight gold. Like, I'm about to ruin this whole thing. What is happening? I'm gonna go put some liner on and some lashes, finish up my lower lash line. Hopefully it all comes together, okay? I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I finished up. I did a lot. I was getting real frustrated with this cut crease. I just felt like it didn't look defined enough, but I don't know. I think I got it to a place that I'm satisfied. I just did a black wing, put on some lashes. So I went in with Sunset here at first, and then I went in a little bit with Strawberry Moon. I didn't like that that wasn't really doing much. Blended it out with Skyline, and then just in the corner over here, put a little bit of this haze, and it gave it a nice little purple shade, the purple shade that I was kind of looking for when I dipped into Strawberry Moon. So that's what I did underneath. I did just a very light line of a white liner on my waterline just to give it almost like a pinkness to it, so I wanted my skin to kind of shine through that white line. Now we're gonna move on to the lips, and of course, you know, this is a neutral look. I'm gonna go with the neutral shade here. Gosh, guys, I love this color. I like how long and straight this applicator is. It kind of allows me to just it just goes with the contour of my lips, so I don't have to try so hard to like really get in there. All right, that looks even. I love that color. It's very soft. Don't mind me. That's gonna complete this. I really do want to do some more fun looks with this palette. Those will be coming next for sure. I want to play with these pinks and those blues for sure. I think if you just don't look at it too closely, it might be okay. I don't know. I'm such a perfectionist. Okay, whatever. All right, I've got to wrap this up, guys, because apparently I don't know how to finish up a video. Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, subscribe, or if you even just like me, I mean, what other reason do you need? Are you mocking me? You're so silly. You want to say hi? Mm-hmm.
What is it, Mommy?
Say hi.
What is it?
I'm making a video.
You make this video?
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
All right, guys. See you next time.
See you
Bye.
next time,
Say
Mommy.
bye.
Bye.